Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 19th, 2022. Let's talk about Algorand today. I wanted to come in and do an update. You guys can see that our price prediction that I have on the chart, yeah, the price action is actually outside of it. So I wanted to come in today and show you all what I'm looking forward to now in Algorand. So welcome to the channel. If this is your first time ever seeing my videos, my price prediction, and you like it, then hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel, join the community, because this is the only thing that I focus in on. I only pay attention to the price in order to try to determine where price is going to go. You don't need to think about anything else outside of what everyone else is already talking about. All right. So you guys can see it. Nothing too much has happened into the market in Algorand since my last video. So what should we do? Should one come in and buy, or is it a huge buy? Is it a huge sell? Let's pay attention to see what the price action is telling us. So take a look. I was playing the weakness into the market in Algorand right here on the 28th of January. You guys can see that not too much has happened since then. Here it is, almost about a month into this price prediction, and the market has just been trading sideways. So what can we expect now? Can the market start to elevate? Can the market price in Algorand start to go up, or can we resume back down to lower prices? Let's try to figure this out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this chart on a 3-day time frame. All right, so let's switch this over to a 3-day time frame, and you all can see this here. Okay, I'm going to circle this, and I want you all to tell me, what does this look like? Does this look like a lot of buyers are here? Does it look like a lot of selling is going on? What does these 3-day price bars resemble to you? Is it weakness or is it strength? Because from my perspective, it still looks weak, especially when I saw this last conclusion of this 3-day price bar right here. It resembles that the price is still weak, that the majority of the market is selling their algo into the market. Because if not, we would not have seen this high volume, and then price would not be closing at the very bottom of the bar, but it is. So there's still some selling mixed in over the last couple of 3-day price bars. We got to be careful about that. That literally tells us that this market is garnering to us weakness. Let's see what we got on the 5-day time frame. Look at this. It still looks the same. So from a 3-day time frame to a 5-day time frame, we're still seeing the market in Algorand show its weakness. And that is in combination with what happened the last 5 days. So I want you all to look at that. Look at what the price has been. And look where we're trying to go now. Like, there's still some weakness mixed into the market in Algorand. Now look, I want you all to see this, is that even though we're anticipating the price in Algorand to go down, I want you all to look at this though. Like, you can relax, because we got a lot of trading action here that the market could literally find some support, especially right here to where I got this horizontal line at 68.70 cents. We can still see price elevate there. See, just because someone comes in and anticipate the price to go down doesn't mean that they're looking for it to go down to 20 cents or even 40 cents. No, we're just simply forecasting that the current environment in Algorand is weakness right now. Take a look at Algorand right here on the weekly time frame, so you guys can see it here. Last week we were seeing weakness, and even currently, even though we got a day and 8 hours left, we're still seeing weakness here. So the last 2 weeks has been a lot of selling going on into the market in Algorand. So seemingly it looked like we were anticipating the weakness to occur into the market in Algorand a little bit too soon. Maybe we were anticipating this weakness to occur a little bit too fast, because we really haven't seen any changes occur into the market in Algorand just yet. So let's see, 2-day time frame. So what do you all suspect? Only thing that I would say would elevate the price from Algorand not falling too far would be this area right here, around 80 cents. That would be the first basis that we can still see the buyers approach the market in Algorand and actually try to keep the price up. Yeah, so if you're looking for the price in Algorand to go up, definitely keep your eyes open on that 80 cent level, because if the buyers maintain and hold the price above 80, then that tells us that all of this action right here is literally the market buyers keeping the price from dropping. But if we break 80 cents, I'm here to tell you right now, today on the 19th of February, that you need to be prepared for price to go a lot lower. And you guys can see I got it going down to 68, 67 cents. Yeah. So let's go ahead and do this real quick and get rid of that. Let's see what we got on the hourly time frame real quick, because you guys can tell that over the last couple of hours, I mean, we're not seeing too much. This market is just still trading sideways from when I did my last video in Algorand. 7-hour chart. Again, you guys can kind of tell that we're not doing too much. So it gives us ample amount of opportunity to try to distinguish what the market is trying to do. Is it trying to go up? Is it trying to go down? Okay. What do you all think? Yeah, what you're seeing right now is the market buyers trying to keep the price from falling. You can see it right here. So this is not just by circumstance, right? We got to pay attention to what the price is literally telling us. The market is trying to bounce right now. See, if you understood how to scout the market, you already expect us to see this price move from up here, go up here towards the next restriction area, which is around 93 cents to 95 cents, and still be on the lookout for the market in Algorand. So the market is still trying to elevate. It's still trying to stay up. It's not trying to fall right now. Now, what I'm going to do though, is since we look at this prediction from a daily time frame, we're going to extend this out further, because it just seems as if the market is not ready to go down right now. But pretty much we're still on course to see the weakness. And I've explained it to you on the 3-day time frame, the 5-day time frame, even the weekly. Now the weekly perspective, we still got a day and 8 hours left. So we have to be careful, because if the market on the weekly time frame looks a lot better than what we're seeing right now, then of course I will have to come through and adjust my original price prediction, right? I will have to come in and revamp it and revise it. But currently we are still on course to see this weakness into the market in Algorand happen. And this is another reason why I'm still looking for the price to go down. Last month was not a very positive month for the Algorand community. For those looking for the price to continually show some strength, I don't see that there. Not last month, which is why we're still seeing the continuation of weakness now. All right. Now check this out though. Did you see this? I want you all to pay attention to this trend right here in Algorand. This is the long-term trend. This is where the ascending trend started into the market in Algorand before we saw the market break out. Don't be surprised to see the market ultimately come down here and test this trend. Now it might be in May, June, July. See, I'm already ahead of the game. This is February, and I'm already prepping you all to be prepared for price in Algorand to drop down here to this trend, or at least 60 cents. Yeah. See, everyone else is going to be scratching their head trying to tell you the quote unquote real reason why, but it's going to be after the fact, after the market has already moved. Hindsight. Oh, now you want to tell us the reason why the market is really going down. I'm here telling it to you already, way before the market even does it. So keep in mind that we can still see price in Algorand come down to 60 cents. Yeah, and we're going to follow it. Don't worry about it. We got you. So let me put this back over to the daily. Like I said, I'm not going to change anything in regards to the price in Algorand. I'm just going to continue to let the market do what it do, and we're just going to kick back and let it trade. I'm done. Your turn. What do you think? Has your original price target price prediction changed into the market in Algorand? Is this a huge buy? Is it a huge sell? What do you expect? Drop a comment right now in the comment section. Tell all of our community members, what do you all think the price in Algorand is going to do? Trade different. I'm done.